Hello everyone. Today's topic is computer vision. Intelligent beings must obtain information from their environment. Vision is essential to reading and to normal navigation through the world around us. The large role for vision in human intelligence is suggested by the proportion of the brain that is declined to seeing. Vision has been and continue to be a key area of artificial intelligence. Vision by machine is sometimes called computer vision. So, computer vision is concerned with modeling and and replicating human vision using computer software and hardware. It combines knowledge of computer science, electrical engineering, mathematics, sociology, psychology, biology, cognitive science. So it needs knowledge from all these fields in order to understand and simulate the operation of human vision system. Computer vision is a field that includes methods for acquiring, processing, analyzing, and understanding images and in general high definitional sorry high dimensional data from the real world in order to produce numerical or symbolic information, for example in the form of precision. It is an area of work which is a combination of concepts, techniques, and ideas from digital image processing, pattern recognition, artificial intelligence, and computer graphics. Majority of the tasks in the field driving the scene information or description from the input scene like digital images. Computer vision is a discipline that studies how to reconstruct, interpret, and understand a 3D scene from its 2D image in terms of the properties of the structure present in the scene. The goal of computer vision is to process image acquired with cameras in order to produce a representation of objects in the world. So the ultimate goal of computer vision is to model and replicate human vision using computer software and hardware at different levels. So computer vision hierarchy, low level vision, middle level vision, and high level vision. Low level vision process image for feature extraction like edge, corner, or optical flow. Middle level vision, object recognition, motion analysis, and 3D reconstruction using features obtained from the low level vision. High level vision, interpretation of the evolving information provided by the middle level vision as well as directing what middle and low level vision tasks should be performed. Interpretation may include conceptual description of a scene like activity, intention, and behavior. Some examples of application of computer vision, including systems for controlling process like industrial robot, navigation by an autonomous vehicle or mobile robot, detecting events for visual surveillance or people counting, organizing information, for example, for indexing database of images and image sequences, modeling objects or environments, for example, medical image analysis or topological topographical modeling. Interaction, for example, as the input to a device for computer-human interaction, and automatic inspection, for example, in manufacturing application. Next is natural language processing. Natural language processing is the branch of computer science focused on developing systems that allow computers to communicate with people using everyday language. A natural language processing, sorry, a natural language is a language that is spoken, written by humans for general purpose communication. For example, Hindi, English, French, etc. A language is a system, a set of symbols, a set of rules. The symbols are combined to convey new information. The rules govern the manipulation of symbols. NLP can be defined as the automatic processing of human language. NLP encompasses anything a computer needs to understand natural language, either typed or spoken, and also generate the natural language. NLP encompasses anything a computer needs to understand natural language, either in typed form or spoken, and also generate the natural language. Natural language processing is a subfield of artificial intelligence and linguistics devoted to make computers understand statements written in human language. NLP can be divided into two subfields of understanding and generation. NLU task is understanding and reasoning, while the input is a natural language. That is, NLU investigates methods of allowing the computer to operate instructions given in English. Here, we ignore the issues of NLU. Next, NLG, natural language generation. NLG is a subfield of natural language processing and NLP. NLG is also referred to next generation. It attempts that computer produce ordinary English language so that people can understand computers more easily. The study of language generation falls into following three areas. First is determination of content, formulating and developing a text expression plan, achieving a realization of the desired expression. In fact, a typical interaction between humans and machine using natural language processing could go as follows. A human talks to machine, the machine captures the audio to text conversion takes place, processing of the text data to audio conversation take place, the machine responds to the human by playing the audio file. Thank you.